Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be sharing a complete guide on how to share your bio only with someone on Telegram. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your Android device. Step 2. Look for the 3 lines at the top left corner of your screen and tap on them. Step 3. From the menu that appears, select Settings. Step 4. In the Settings menu, tap on Privacy and Security. Step 5. Under the Privacy section, tap on Bio. Step 6. Now, under Who Can See My Bio, select Nobody. Step 7. To share your bio with specific individuals, tap on Add Exception. Step 8. Select the person you want to share your bio with and tap on the check icon. That's it. You've successfully shared your bio only with the selected person on Telegram. This allows you to maintain privacy while still sharing your bio with someone you trust. By following these steps, you can have better control over who can see your bio on Telegram. It's important to safeguard your personal information and share it only with those you choose. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.